So guys, that's the joys of having a garage down a laneway. Anywho, welcome back to the channel guys. If you're new, drop a like, leave a comment, I do really appreciate it. And if you fancy, please do subscribe to the channel. So, back down the garage. It's going to be a few days, so I'm going to be doing a few days in the one video because I have work, I have a first aid training day to do, yay. But I headed off to Halfords. I got some clips and stuff and some joiners, and we're gonna get the rad hose done today. And there was an issue with the belt for the power steering, so I got a different belt, and it was too loose, so it's gonna be a bit tighter. So I'm just gonna get that on now, and we'll have a look at the rad hose next. Right guys, look at that beautifulness. Nice and tight. That's perfect. Now here's all the bits and pieces I got in Halfords. Just some clamps for the hoses, a few joiners as well for the pipes. So this is also for the air filter hose when it goes on. So let's get this pipe all put together. Now obviously one needs to go here and one needs to go there. But what I am going to do first, I'm going to join this wire to the wire in the engine bay and just make sure it is long enough. Right guys, wire extended, and it's all done with that lovely loom tape. You won't even notice it in the engine bay. So it's time to get these open and onto this. That's like the ultimate perfect fit. Just to get them all tightened up now. Now these fittings for your self tappers are perfect because they fit on most of these screws. As you can see, just go slowly with it. Same with this end. I'm going to push that up a little bit more. Get it on. And that ain't budging. Awesome. Tighten this one up more. Ah, that's perfect. That ain't budging. From that's on. Not going anywhere. I did get two for the top rad hose as well. I'm going to put them on, but I will be taking them off again because I have to bleed the clutch. I won't be doing that tonight. I'll be doing that during the week, but I do have to bleed the clutch. But I just want to get these clamps on so they're not lost, because you know what this garage is like for losing stuff. So I'm just going to throw these on now. Done. Now we have another two for this one as well, so I'm just going to take them out and put them on and tighten them on. This won't be going on yet because I'm still waiting on the plug, so I need to wire up the plug, and I'm taking the radiator out to do the clutch, so there's no point in really putting this on. I just wanted to put them on the top rad hose so they don't get lost, so I'm just going to throw these on here and tighten them up. Right, they're on there, and then here's my lovely black lead that will pop straight on there. No hassle, nice and tidy. And then this will obviously get cable tied along down underneath the inlet manifold. So yeah, that's it. But obviously this is another job done. And obviously I'm going to put this on the throttle body so it doesn't go missing, and just tighten it down. Now we're just going to get this box open and see which fitting will fit the power steering hose on the bottom. And I also bought 2 clamps for the hose to keep it really tight and together. So I'm hoping one of these fittings in this box, because this box is €15, and I'm hoping that the one in here fits it. This one here I'm thinking. So I'm going to try this on now and show you the results when it's done. Right guys, I'm going to take this under just to have a look if you can see in the dark. But there is the pipe joined here up into the power steering pump. Obviously the line will be tucked up with some P-clips, but that's the line there. As you can see, it does move around a bit, but I am going to clamp it up to the body to keep it nice and tight up against, maybe just underneath the radiator. But yeah guys, we won't know how well this works until we get the car running and we bleed the power steering. Hopefully it doesn't leak. And there's another few bits and pieces that I do need to get. These joiners will come in handy for when I'm joining up all the pipes in the back there now. So there's not much else I can do tonight. I'm gonna leg it and we come back down another night and we finish off what we're doing.